From a distance, the ocean meets the stream, and the eagles takes to fly. From a distance, there is harmony, and it echoes to the land. And it's the voice of hope, it's the voice of peace, it's the voice of every man. From a distance, we all have enough, and no one is in need. And there are no guns, no bombs, and no disease, no empty mouths to feed. From a distance, we are instruments marching in a common band, playing songs of hope, playing songs of peace, playing songs of every man.
You are now seeing your path. In terms of shyness, you're trying your hardest to communicate with your audience. Do more of that, okay?
2 weeks in a row, you put emotions in your songs. And that is very, very beautiful.
One of the best tonight, and as well as last week. I think you really need to come out of your shell.